Hello children, I want to ask you a question. Do you have younger or elder sibling at your home? Look at this girl. She has a smaller brother at home. And look at the dedication of this girl. Let us go through this chapter. He is my brother, which is based on a story by Sanat Kumar Bhatt. Once upon a time, there was a small hill. A path went up the hill. It went through thick and lovely woods of pine and fir trees. People often walked on it to a holy place. One day, when the sun shone high in the sky, many people were seen climbing up the hill. They were climbing slowly and carefully. A girl also climbed the hill with them. Her name was Meena. Meena was 12 years old. She carried a small boy on her back. He was 4 years old. His hair was curly, his eyes were black, and his face was as fresh as the morning dew. As the sunshine danced through the trees, Meena climbed the hill slowly and steadily. Meena was happy. The boy was also happy. A man in the group looked at Meena. He felt sorry for her. He asked her, "My child, why are you carrying a boy on your back? Don't you feel his load?" Meena looked at him in wonder. She could not understand him. Her brother was unable to walk. Meena asked, "Load? Of course no. He is my brother." Now children, here are some new words that are understand, climbed, holy, slowly, sorry, load. So, the meanings are: understand means to comprehend, climbed means to ascend, to mount, holy means without sin, consecrated, slowly, not rapid, sorry, feeling sorrow or pity, load means to burden. Let's go through these question and answers. Where were the people going? The people were going up the hill to a holy place. What did the man say to Meena? The man asked Meena, why was she carrying a boy on her back? He also asked if she felt his load. Why do you think Meena was carrying her brother? Meena was carrying her brother as he could not walk. Now children, choose the correct answer. What went up the hill? So you have to choose from the 4 options. So the options are a path, a street, a road, a rail line. So here the answer is a path. What is the name of the girl in the story? Seema, Beena, Meena, Nina. So here the answer is Meena. How old was Meena? 10, 12, 9, 8. So the answer is 12. How old was Meena's brother? 5, 4, 6, 7. So the answer is 4. Now let us do some filling the blanks using the correct given words. So the helping verbs are given here: rat, sip, box, rug, cot, den, pit. Now the boy fell in the pit. I sip hot milk. The kid is in the cot. My toy is in the box. The lion is in the den. The cat runs after the rat. I sit on the rug. Now let us do some more filling the blanks with the opposite of the underlined words given in the sentence. The rat ran in when the cat ran out. It means the opposite of in is out. Next, the lion is big, but the ant is small. It means the opposite of big is small. The giraffe has a long neck, but owls are short. Here, long and short are opposite words. The sun appears in the day and the moon at night. The opposites of day is night. The tea is hot, but the water is cold. So, the opposite of hot is cold. Trees are tall, but the bushes are short. So, the opposite of tall is short. Next, Ram was sad, but Radha was happy. So, the opposite of sad is happy. Dear children, in this chapter, the brother of Meena was a disabled child. So, she took care of him. Children, we should feel sympathy as well as empathy towards disabled persons. In this chapter, some sign languages are given used by disabled people. Have a look on these signs. If we want to say sing, right open hand facing in touches the mouth and moves to the right like waving. If we want to say dance, both zero hands facing out move from shoulder to front of chest alternately, twice. Here are some more sign languages. To read, we have to say both open hands, palms facing at chest level, move from side to side in a symmetric way. If we want to say write, act out as if writing onto the palm of the left hand. Some more sign languages. If we want to say win, right thumbs up and move up to right shoulder from front of chest. Next is lose. Right thumbs up. Hand moves from right shoulder to front of chest to end with thumb pointing down. To say sunrise, right bent 5 hand facing left moves from the waist level on the right side up above the head. To say sunset, right bent 5 hand facing left moves from above the head to the waist level on the left side and rests facing down. Children, here are some famous personalities of India who overcome their disabilities and shine like a star. Children, she is Deepa Malik. Deepa Malik is an Indian athlete. She is the first Indian woman to win a medal in Para-Olympic Games and won a silver medal at the 2016 Summer Para-Olympics in the shot put. She has also won gold in F53 by 54 javelin event at the Para Athletic Grand Prix held in Dubai in 2018. She is Sudha Chandran. She is an Indian film and television actress and an accomplished Bharatnatyam dancer. In 1981, she hurt her leg in a road accident. Her leg became gangrenous and her parents opted to have it amputated. Children, here is an assignment for you. Here are a few signs for children who cannot hear. Write the words from the clue box for these signs. So the words are write, dance, lose, win, sing, read. So you have to choose the words and write them. Thank you.